5 degrees below 0 to 15 degrees below 0 Thursday night through Friday will produce extremely cold conditions. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Open the door. Which way? Which way do you want to go? Let's go over here.
For the following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Southern Westchester,
You guys want to go downstairs?
Bronx,
I'll be right down.
Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, and Southern Queens.
I'll be right down.
Storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. Near blizzard conditions are forecast Thursday evening into Friday morning. The National Weather Service in New York issued a winter storm warning for snow and strong winds, which is in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: New York City, Northeast New Jersey, and Southern Westchester County. Hazard types: snow. Accumulations: up to 1 inch of accumulation is possible.
Come on, static.
North 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures 11 to 28 degrees. 1/4 mile at times. Day night into Friday.
1 second.
Impacts. Light snow could cause transportation impacts during the Thursday morning rush hour. Blowing and drifting snow will produce hazardous travel conditions. Chills ranging from 5 degrees below 0 to 5 degrees above 0 will make it feel extremely cold. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring.
Outside the car so you guys don't have to hear this.
Amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Nassau, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: Long Island, including Nassau and Suffolk counties. Hazard types: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations: up to around 1 inch of snow is forecast overnight through the Thursday morning rush hour. An additional 7 to 9 inches of snow is forecast Thursday evening through Friday. Total accumulations of 8 to 10 inches are forecast. Winds north 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures in the lower 20s. Visibilities 1/4 mile or less. Timing: the heaviest snow and the strongest winds will occur Thursday night into Friday. Impacts: blowing and drifting snow will produce dangerous travel conditions. Wind chills from 5 degrees below 0 to 5 degrees above 0 will produce extreme cold impacts. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go?
Here is